So hey, I wanted to do this video on the Zottman curls to help you guys out the way I do it, where it actually spiked a little more growth in my biceps. And basically, if you don't know what a Zottman curl is, it's a curl up and a twist and a reverse curl, and then you switch it back up and you keep doing that. So what I found the best way to do that is you see guys actually taking the dumbbells and coming out like this, like a regular curl, curling high like this. I found applying more tension to the bicep, you could actually do it more in a drag curl fashion, to where you bring your elbows back a little bit, and instead of curling like that, as far as the half moon shape curl, you actually curl upwards, and right there, having the biceps engaged while you do this twist puts a lot of tension on the muscle for growth. Basically, curl up, twist, and down. This is a controlled movement, and it's very important to understand that the contraction is not just there. The contraction should be felt. This is a contraction from here, the pull, all the way up into the bicep to bursting contraction that you squeeze your ass off on, and then you twist, and then you lower. Great to do any kind of rep range. I mix it up. We do 10 to 30 reps sometimes if we're going heavy on other movements, the standing barbell curls, preacher curls, or dumbbell curls. Or like today, I'm going a little bit heavier because we went a little bit lighter in the standing barbell curls and the preacher curls. So make sure you're mixing up your rep ranges, shocking the muscle, avoiding that adaptation for growth. That's about it. Running out of breath here. I'm gonna get back to my workout. We'll see you guys next time.